Hi, this is the Singapore-Cambridge GCE O-Level Additional Mathematics Examination, Year 2012, Paper 1, Question number 12. The question number 12 is a without using a calculator question. So throughout the course of this question, most of the time you can solve this without the help of a calculator, except for any times where you need to deal with complicated numbers and all sorts of things. We'll start with part 1, which is an indices question. We have to find the value of x such that this is equal to this. Now in this case, we have to employ the use of our laws of indices. Primarily speaking, it is the use of these two laws. So we're going to make use of these laws in helping us to combat this question. So I know that 9 is 3 squared, so I'm going to make this a base of 3. And then I'll have this as well. And then on the other side, I have this. So I can go on to simplify both sides. (27) is 3 cubed, so I can simplify that to a base of 3 as well. And then eventually, I'll have this. And then when I have the same base, I can equate the index to give me 3x plus 2 equals this. I'll transfer the x's onto one side. I have 9 over 2x. I'll bring the 2 to the other side. Multiply both sides by 2 over 9. Eventually, I'll have x is equal to negative 4 over 9. And that is part 1. Now we shall deal with part 2, where we have to find the values of two integers a and b, such that this equals this. The first approach that I'm going to do for this question is leave the a plus b square root 3 on one side alone. I'll bring the 5 plus 2 square root 3 in the denominator to the numerator on the other side. 5 plus 2 square root 3 holding square over 2 plus square root 3. I can use my special algebraic identities to expand 5 plus 2 square root 3 holding square. So I have 25. 2 times 5 times 2, that's 20 square root 3. 2 square root 3 holding square, that's 4 times 3, 12. Then I add 2 plus square root 3 in the denominator. A plus b square root 3. 25 plus 12, that is 37. Over 2 plus square root 3. Now the key to being able to do this question is the use of rationalization of the denominator using conjugate surds. So a plus b square root 3, 37 plus 20 square root 3, 2 minus square root 3 over 2 squared minus square 3 squared. Gonna make some space this side. So this is what it looks like. Gonna show this over. Yeah. Right. Gonna show this over to the other side. Sorry for the early interruption. That was my mother. She was kissing me goodnight, as she always will. But anyways, back to the question. So if a plus b squared 3, 37 multiplied by 2, that gives me 74. And then minus 37 squared 3 plus 40 squared 3 minus 60. And then I have 4 minus 3. So a plus b squared 3. 74 minus 60 is 14. Negative 37 plus 40 gives me 3. So it's over 1. A plus b squared 3 is eventually 14 plus 3 square root 3. So by comparison, A is 14, B is 3. And that is part 2, and effectively the entirety of question 12 of the 2012 paper.